have to add an 11th mistake. Sorry if I'm dragging on, but this one I think is really important. It's fraud. How do you avoid fraud? People are worried about powers of attorney and granting authority because they don't want the person to steal from them. Well, everything we've talked about right now up to this point is choosing the right person, talking about responsibilities, et cetera, having a lawyer involved. That is going to help mitigate any kind of risk of fraud. Where do you see fraud in powers of attorney? Where you see fraud in powers of attorney is online documents. Where you see fraud is, pick on the son. The son prints something off online, takes it to mom who's losing capacity or has lost capacity and says, Mom, you just sign here. Mom signs, it's notarized, it's valid, or there's two witnesses who are independent. It's valid, assuming that, well, it looks to be valid. Whether or not it's valid, that's a whole different question. But where you see fraud, where you see problems, where Adult Protective Services comes in more often than not is when there is a family member who just presents to their older family member, their parent, here's a document, please sign it. It'll make things so much easier for you, Mom. I'll just help you out with everything. That's where you see fraud. So be careful with online documents for all sorts of reasons. And I can tell you that when an attorney drafts a durable power of attorney for a client, we, in our experience, have not ever seen fraud by the agent. I can't say that it's never happened, but I am completely unaware of any sort of fraudulent instances. Having the attorney involved kind of keeps people away from committing fraud against the principal who signed the power of attorney if there's a lawyer involved. All right, that was number 11, bonus. Avoid fraud. So for those of you who stuck with me, I said that there'd be a free gift at the end. If you're joining us Zoom, we are going to send you a certificate for a free consultation. I hope that today I've raised a lot of questions that you need to have answered. If so, please take advantage of our complimentary consultation. Typically it's $375. If you qualify, we'll send you the certificate. We'll follow up with you. If you qualify, you'll get an opportunity to speak with us directly. For those who are on Facebook, please send an email to webinar@elgwa.com, and we will go ahead and send you that same certificate.